About Thobile and Mayeni, they will wait for the next season to respond. So Thobile finally responded to Mayeni's Yakala guys Pendugo. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Know the rest of the house. Someone peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy 2026 Autumn and September season 9. So guys, for those who've been following Autumn and September from season 1 to season 8, Umayeni on season 8 she exposed Thobile. She said Thobile bewuyingane eshaya uSgubhu, you know. Umasamsaleka had a church. When she confronted Umasamsaleka was like, no, le ngane izonceda like kunomsebenzi omningi la kwaMsaleka. She even confronted uMasaule, late wife yakaMasamsaleka. We know that uMasaule and Thobile, they were very close, guys. Thobile loves Masaule, guys. Umasaule was like, no, she's going to be a nanny. There's no need to worry about lengane nkosam izonceda la ekhaya, guys. Thobile right now respond to the current situation. Thobile said there was no a newborn when she got kwaMsaleka, guys. She's surprised. Some people say he wanted her to be a nanny, guys. She said she was nanny, guys. She came just like you, guys, as a girlfriend to be a wife. I can now Mayeni, you came as a girlfriend and then you became a wife. Now she came just like you, guys. She doesn't understand why people are so disrespectful to her, because they want to feel bad about themselves. She's saying about Abo Mayeni, they want to feel better about themselves, you know, so that they can be okay. Deep down they know Ukuthi she was not a nanny, she was a wife. Just because she's younger than Thobile was like, lalela wena Mayeni, ngaqala ngiyintombi bese ngaba unkosikazi njengawe, uyeke ukungangihloniphi. I'm a wife, you know, whether you like it or not, I'm here to stay. Thobile responding to Mayeni, guys. I feel like Mayeni and Macele, they need to stop what they're doing to Thobile. Guys, give some respect to Thobile because she's the breadwinner. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy birthday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.